Hello, kids. Welcome back. Yesterday, we have finished our fourth chapter, that is multiplication. We have finished multiplication. We have done all types of question based on multiplication. In our previous video, we have also solved a worksheet based on multiplication. Now, in today's video, we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is division. A very interesting topic, that is division. Okay. So kids, I hope you all remember that multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Now, similarly, division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay, now, so first of all, what is division? What is division? What do we understand by term division? And what are the different terms related with division? Okay, so division is to group thing equally. Okay, division means to divide a given object, to divide a group of given object into a particular group. Okay, suppose I am having Suppose I am having 4 at the rate sign. Now I ask you to divide, to group this into a group of 2 object. How you gonna do it? अगर मैं बोलूं कि ये 4 साइन है, इन्हें 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना है, 2 इक्वल ग्रुप्स में. आपको इन्हें 2 इक्वल ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना है. कैसे करेंगे? 2 इक्वल ग्रुप में इन्हें डिवाइड करना है. व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल पुट 2 साइन टुगेदर एंड 2 साइन टुगेदर. Okay, so this is division. So this is division. Okay, now there are various terms related to division. There are various terms related to division. The very first term is dividend. Okay, the very first term is dividend. So what is dividend? The number to be divided is called dividend. The number to be divided is called dividend. मतलब जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना है, जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड. नाउ द नंबर बाय विच डिवीजन इज मेड इज कॉल्ड द डिवाइजर. जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है वो होता है डिवाइजर. सी किड्स, lots of kids got confused between these two terms, dividend and divisor. Now आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट. जिस नंबर को डिवाइड करना है, द बिगर नंबर दैट वी हैव टू डिवाइड, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड. द नंबर दैट डिवाइड्स दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर. एंड द आंसर and the answer of the division is called quotient. The number of times the divisor is contained in the dividend is called the quotient. Okay, got it? Okay, फिर से समझते हैं. 12. Okay, first of all, this is division sign. This is division sign. Okay, now 12 divided by 6, okay, will give us 2. Now this 12 is dividend. This 12 is dividend. जो बड़ा नंबर जिसको डिवाइड करना है, this is dividend. This छोटा नंबर जिससे डिवाइड करना है is divisor. And the answer that we get of these two number is quotient. Okay, repeat after me. Dividend, say loudly, dividend, dividend, divisor, quotient, okay, repeat after me beta. Dividend, say loudly, dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, dividend, divisor, quotient. Now one thing, there is one more term, that is remainder. That is remainder. About remainder we will learn in some other video. Right now we will only focus on these 3 things. Okay, so we can carry out division by repeated subtraction. Okay, there are 2 methods basically by which we can show our division. First one is by repeated subtraction and second one is equal sharing or distribution. Equal sharing or distribution. Okay, so first we will solve the question based on equal sharing or distribution. Okay, okay, division models. See, as in the beginning of the lesson I have told you that division means to divide a group of objects into a particular group. To divide a group of objects into a particular group. In a group of 6, in a group of 2, in a group of 3. एक अगर दूसरे तरीके से समझे तो हमारे पास ढेर सारा सामान है, ढेर सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं हमारे पास और उन्हें हमें 2 के ग्रुप्स में, 3 के ग्रुप्स में, 4 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर देना है. ओके, ओके. Now, how many groups of 8? How many groups of 8? 8 के कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? ठीक है, these are the candles. Let us first count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 candles are there. Okay, 24 candles are there. What we have to do? We have to make groups of 8. Okay, हमें 8 के ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. लेट अस सी कितने ग्रुप्स हम बनाते हैं। तो चलो काउंट करते हैं। स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। फर्स्ट ग्रुप हमारा यहां तक बना। नाउ सेकेंड ग्रुप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। सेकेंड ग्रुप हमारा इधर तक बना। नाउ नेक्स्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। लास्ट ग्रुप हमारा यहां तक बना। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैंडल्स कितने थे? 24 थे। ओके 24 में 24 कैंडल्स का हमने 8 का ग्रुप बनाया। तो कितने ग्रुप बने? 1 2 3। कितने ग्रुप बने? 3 ग्रुप्स बने। दैट मीन्स 24 में इक्वल नंबर ऑफ 8 कितने हैं? 3 हैं। 24 कैंडल्स थे हमारे पास। 24 कैंडल्स को हमने 8 की ग्रुप में बांटा। तो ऐसे हमारे पास 3 ग्रुप्स आए। ओके नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, how many groups of 2? How many groups of 2? So first of all let us count the number of butterflies. Okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 18 butterflies are there. 18 butterflies are there, है ना? Now we have to group them into, we have to make group of 2. So let us start. 1 2, then 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. How many groups we have made? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 groups of 8. 9 groups of 2. Okay. टोटल 18 बटरफ्लाइज थी, उन्हें हमें 2 के ग्रुप्स में करना था। तो कितना हुआ? 2 के ग्रुप में हमने किया, कितना हुआ हमारे पास? 9 ग्रुप्स हमारे पास बन गए, है ना? 9 ग्रुप्स। ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, how many groups of 6? Question number 3. Tomatoes, number of tomatoes are given here. You have to make a group of 6. Okay, you have to make a group of 6. Do this question yourself. Make a group of 6. First of all, count the total number of tomatoes. Count the total number of tomatoes. Then make a group of 6. Okay. How many groups of 6? You have done it? Count the total number of tomatoes. Okay, let us start. So let us first of all count the number of tomatoes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Total number of tomatoes are there. How many total number of tomatoes are there? 24. 24 tomatoes are there in total numbers. What we have to do? We have to make a group of 6. 6 का group बनाना है हमें. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पहला ग्रुप तैयार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. दूसरा ग्रुप तैयार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तीसरा ग्रुप तैयार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. चौथा ग्रुप भी तैयार. तो हमारे पास कितने ग्रुप हुए 6 के? हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स ऑफ 6 आर देयर? हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स ऑफ 6 बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. 4 groups. 4 groups are there. Okay. 4 groups. Okay. Now do this question. Question number 4. Do this question yourself. Do this question. Do question number 4 yourself. Count the total number of globes. Then make a group of 5. Count the total number of globes. Then make a group of 5. Okay. Count. Okay, let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 globes are there. Total number of 10 globes are there. है ना? Now, we have to make group of 5. So, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यहाँ तक. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितने ग्रुप बने बेटा? 1, 2. 2 groups. 2 groups of 5. ओके. तो 5 के कितने ग्रुप बने? 2 ग्रुप्स. ग्रेट. नाउ डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Sorry, question number 5. How many groups of 3? Flowers are given here. Flowers are given here. Make a group of 3. Okay. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers are there. Now we have to make a group of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3. 3 groups are there. Okay. Okay. Now do the question number 6. How many groups of 7? First of all, count the number of logs. Count the number of logs. Count the number of logs and divide them or group them into a group of 7. Okay. Completed? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 locks are there and we have to make a group of 7. So let us make a group of 7. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And finally last 7. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. Okay. 4 groups. So kids, what we have understand, just what we have gone through, just we have done division by equal grouping. We were having some group of things like candles, butterflies, tomatoes, and we have to make a group out of them. Okay. Now, as in the beginning of the chapter, I have told you that division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. So now we will understand the concept of division with the help of repeated subtraction. Okay. Now, so here first question, 16 divided by 8. Now this question we have to do by repeated subtraction. This question we have to do by doing the repeated subtraction. So we are having 16 divided by 8. First of all, we will write the question. 16 divided by 8. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 8 from 16 until we get 0. हमें क्या करना है? 8 को 16 से तब तक सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है जब तक हमें नीचे 0 नहीं मिल जाता. ओके, जब तक हमारा आंसर 0 नहीं आ जाता. तो 16 minus 8. How much we will get? 16 minus 8. 8 subtract करिए. Okay, so we will get 8 here. 16 minus 8, we will get 8. Now again we, तो मैंने क्या बोला कि हमें 0 चाहिए, हमारे पास 8 आया. Again we will subtract 8 from 8. Now what we will get? 8 minus 8, 0. Now we have got our 0. So how many times we have to subtract it? 8 को कितनी बार subtract करना पड़ा? 1, 2. 8 को हमें कितनी बार subtract करना पड़ा? 2. So 16 divided by 8, our answer will be 2. Okay. Now, so when 8 is subtracted from 16 2 times, then we get the remainder 0. We have subtracted 8 from 16 2 times na, and then we have got our answer as 0. Okay. Now next is 20 divided by 5. Next we are having 20 divided by 5. Again this question we have to do by repeated subtraction. That means we have to subtract 5 from 20 unless we got 0. जब तक हमें 0 नहीं मिल जाए तब तक हमें subtract करना है. So let us start. 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5, how much we will get? We will get 15. Okay. अभी हमें 15 मिला, then again we have to subtract 5. How much we will get? 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 we will get 10. Now 10, अभी भी 0 नहीं मिला, we have to subtract 5 again. 10 subtract 5 subtracted from 10, what we will get? We will get 5. Again we will subtract 5. Now we have got 0. तो कितनी बार 5 हमने subtract किया? 1 2 3 4. 4 टाइम subtract किया हमने, तो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा 4. Okay. Okay, now when 5 is subtracted from 20 4 times, we have subtracted it 4 times now, then we get the remainder 0. Then we get the remainder 0. Okay, hence 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 is the quotient. As I have told you earlier, that whatever the answer we get for the division, we call that quotient. Okay. Now, next is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. 12, what we have to do? We have to subtract 3 repeatedly from 12. Subtract 3 from 12, how much you will get? Subtract 3 from 12. We will get 9. Then again subtract 3 from 9. We will get 9 minus 3, 6. Then again 6 minus 3. We will get 3. And then 3 minus 3. We will get 0. So how many times we have subtracted 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have subtracted 3 4 times. So we have subtracted 3 from 12 4 times. So our answer of 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so our answer is 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. Now next question is 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. Now this question you will do yourself. अपने से करिए. 28 में से 7 को तब तक सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहो जब तक आपका आंसर 0 ना आ जाए. Do it. So first we will get 21. Then again we have to subtract 7 from it. Then we will get 14. Again we have to subtract 7. We will get 7. And again we have to subtract 7 from it. We will get 0. So how many times we have subtracted 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 4. Okay. Now kids, today we have completed our introductory part of division. है ना? Today we have understand dividing a group of object into groups and division through repeated subtraction. Tomorrow we will move ahead.